Welcome to today's inspired healing meditation, intuitively channeled for your highest good. Set your sacred space by lighting a candle, playing your most favorite relaxing music, have your journal close by, and drop into a moment of peace and calm with me, Helene Rose. Welcome to your inspired healing meditation. Welcome to today's healing meditation. In today's healing meditation, we take a few moments to rest our bodies, release our thoughts, our tension, our worries. We take a few moments to make commitments to ourselves, to the planet, to each other, to God energy, to love energy. And I hope you enjoy today's meditation. Let's drop into today's meditation. Close your eyes and turn inward. Begin to notice your breath. Begin to notice your breath, breathing your body. As you inhale, your body expands. As you exhale, your body relaxes and releases. We set the intention of inner alignment with source energy, connection to our beautiful earth and sky. We set the intention of feeling ourselves as channels on this earth for divine energy. We set the intention of deep healing, love flowing through us. We sense into this deep healing love as we inhale our breath and feel our breath breathing us. We feel so connected to this love energy, and as we inhale, we feel this breath breathing us. We ground down, sink in, feel ourselves cocooned in this moment by the earth. We are like the seeds that we are planting. We are like the seeds that begin to be nurtured by our own awareness, by our own breath, by our own attention and love. We know that in this moment, everything else can just drop away as we exhale. Everything external drops away and we land in this beautiful moment together, connected to earth and sky. Imagine yourself as a channel for divine energy. What does that look like in your mind's eye? Imagine the flow of energy. Does it have a color or a texture? Does it have a speed or a strength? Does it have a density? In your mind's eye, visualize yourself being this channel for divine energy on earth. What does that look like for you in your world? How are you being of service? Allow these images or thoughts or feelings to arise in your mind's eye, in your heart, in your awareness. When we choose to step into serving as a channel for divine light, we are stepping into greater healing for ourselves and for others. We ask and allow this healing energy to flow, move through us, release us from what no longer serves us. Beliefs, thoughts, actions, habits, patterns in our lives can drop to the side as we step forward into this new moment. We can see and feel and know that as we inhale, we grow the sun energy within us, this beautiful divine spark that lives within each of us. We grow it now with our breath. We choose to stay committed to this beautiful path as it unfolds in divine alignment for our highest good and the highest good of all those we meet. We commit to daily checking in, daily moments of peace and calm and meditation, daily moments of time and nature, daily moments of self-kindness, self-love, self-compassion. We commit to daily moments of health and wellness. We commit to daily moments of kind thoughts, kind words about ourselves and others. We commit to moments of healing, releasing, self-soothing, self-nurturing. We remember in each moment how blessed we are to have this opportunity. When you feel ready, take a deep breath. Exhale it out with a sigh. Feel your feet, your hands, your energy moving up and down your body. When you feel ready, you can open your eyes and move toward your journal. Set your timer for at least 8 minutes to give yourself an opportunity to free write. What is it that you commit to? Solidify this commitment to yourself, solidify this commitment to our planet and to source energy. Much love, and I'll see you next time.